Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Christina at Homeschool and Grace, and today's video is a little different. If you saw my last video, I was talking about how I'm doing the Fly Lady system, and so I wanted to share how I'm going to do it in the schoolroom. So this would be zone 3, and it's a mess in here. So if you can see behind me, I didn't clean up for you. It's kind of been neglected. And don't mind the chirping of the fire alarm. Of course, today when I decide to make the video, it starts chirping. And my husband's at work, so he can't fix it. So hopefully he'll be able to edit that out. But if not, it's not your fire alarm, it's mine. Okay, so I have 15 minutes for the next 3 days. I'm going to work on this, so you'll see me. I'll just bring you along as we tidy up this room. It will not be totally accomplished in 3 days, so I'm just going to try and get as far as I can. I'll walk you around and show you some scary parts, and then we'll actually dive into the 15 minutes. So let's get started. Okay, so before I get to my 15 minutes, I wanted to share I've got just laundry baskets. So I've got one that's put away, give away, and then I have a garbage bag coming up from a kid for throwaway. And if you saw my garbage can, it's overflowing, so I've got to empty the garbage can. So I think that will be the first task. And then I'll dive into just cleaning up, getting stuff put away. And then we'll go into the other stuff. Okay, I'm going to set the timer. Here it goes. I think I'm going to have to take some of this out first. Put a fresh bag in. So I got a bunch of trash down here in the corner. I've got to just clean up. Okay. What do I put away? Horse needs to be put away. Books need to be put away. This needs to be put away. This needs to be put away. Trash. Trash. I'm covered in what are they? Pencil shavings. That was for their tutoring. I don't think they use it. We have so many pencil pouches. Getting rid of that. That's all I have so far I might get rid of. I'm going to have to get a little more critical. So you can see I'm kind of making my way around. We're going to do a deep dive here. This is my oldest, Bethany's. And Frank. Trash. Okay, I'm gonna grab my put away bin. All this needs to be put away. Barbie clothes. So the papers I'm going to have her go through. Books need to be put away. eye mask we don't need. Got a pile here. I think this is the tutors that's been missing for like months. I finally found it. So we'll put that there where she sees it. The book. Book. Notebook. More papers. She wants to keep them. Gave her a nice small stack of papers she can go through. But we're not done. There's more bins hiding over here. Found our Matthew C. blocks. Oh, hear my alarm. I'll finish up this. I know I'm not supposed to do that, but I was fiddling around moving the camera, so that wasted some of my time. I've been looking for this tape forever. Stop. Okay. Well, I gotta get a little baby dressed, 2-year-old dressed, and then we'll finish up. So we'll put everything away. So I'll put everything away. Yeah. Okay, we're getting rid of this little bin because we don't need it. Okay, I'm now gonna put away everything because you gotta complete the process. So let's do that. So I've got a few bins here. Easier if I just hold everything. So crayons, I'll put away. Glue. Right now my bookshelves are a little crazy, so I have stacks of books until I can organize those. They come next on my list. This is going to go in the science drawer. I think I'm going to put these big crayons in here for now. I'm going to end up using this for some of their papers, so I'm going to stick it up here with their papers for now, until I can go through papers. Okay, this stuff all has to go downstairs, so let's finish up putting everything away up here. Okay, well, we didn't get as far as I would have liked, but we did make a dent. So, Matthew C. blocks. I'm not sure where to even put these. We'll just stick them in the closet for now. Okay, so there's our dent. That's what's left. This can go back here. Trash will go to the trash can. And this stuff I'll take downstairs, and then I've got a little bit of stuff to get rid of. So I'll put that in a bag to get rid of. Okay, let's take this downstairs. Okay, this is our playroom right now. Like I said, everything's a work in progress. Okay, here we go. So it's already looking a little better. More stuff all over the floor. The trash is empty. We still have more to do though. So this was part 1. We got 2 more parts to go. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you at the next video. All right, bye-bye.